Validating your design has become more and more easy with the continuous development of rapid prototyping. While it's continuing to improve, this still can be costly and the testing can still be time-consuming. With the evolution of simulation software, you can virtually validate your design before even having to create a physical prototype. Simulia on 3DEXPERIENCE brings you the power of Abacus to carry out advanced simulations. Let's take a look at the Fluid Dynamics Engineer role for all of our CFD needs. Whether you are an experienced analyst or new to the simulation game, the assistant will provide you step-by-step help as you get everything set up. Start setting up your simulation by defining the model to be analyzed. You can define a domain for either internal or external flow. If using internal flow, you can extract the fluid domain based on the encompassing geometry. If using external flow, you can create external boundaries right within the simulation. Then you can define the physics with factors such as including temperature or gravity effects and choose either a steady state or transient step. If appropriate, you can set up initial conditions such as initial temperature or initial pressure. Next, you can choose from a variety of boundary conditions such as velocity inlet or pressure outlet. Where applicable, you can set up additional zones and loads such as volumetric heat source or porous zone. You can also set up various contacts such as fluid or solid interface. Once you have your scenario all set up, you can jump into the powerful meshing tools. You can choose from various surface or solid meshes such as tetrahedron or hex dominant. You can even define areas of concern for higher quality mesh. With your simulation fully defined, you can move forward to running the simulation. You can run each simulation with up to 16 cores locally, or utilize credits or tokens to run the simulation on the cloud with up to 144 cores. Once your simulation has finished running, you can create and analyze various plots and create streamlines to fully understand the behavior. Whether you need to test the aerodynamics of your design with external flow or examine cooling performance of an electronics enclosure with internal flow, Fluid Dynamics Engineer on 3DEXPERIENCE has all of the capabilities you need. Contact us here at Swift Solutions to learn more.